Justice served or justice delayed? That is the question Attorney General Liz Murrill is trying to answer today with her changes to post-conviction relief. But opponents say it could have some unintended consequences.
I had one of the defense attorneys look me straight in the eye and say, "I'm never going away, ever." Come out of her mouth. It's been 30 years. Please do justice for my daughter.
For 30 years, Wayne Guzzardo has been reminded of his daughter's killer, being brought back to court time and time again for every single appeal.
Every time we come here, every time we go to a hearing, every time we go to the pardon board, we have to remember how she died. And it was horrific. She was on 911 begging for her life. And he told her, excuse my language, "Shut up, bitch," and he killed her. I'll never know what my daughter would have turned out to be.
Attorney General Liz Murrill is pushing for House Bill 675, cutting the time inmates would have to appeal their conviction and the time a court would have to correct it.
There's going to be more discipline in this system. There are going to be deadlines in this system. We're going to fix this broken system and make sure that people have an opportunity to bring the claims that we've said that they need an opportunity to bring, but that this does not go on forever and ever.
Also standing behind Murrill were two victims of Larry Roy, known as the Cheneyville slasher, from a case out of the Alexandria area. Sally Ann Richards had her throat cut and two of her family members murdered. It's another death penalty case pending over 30 years.
Having nightmares, on medication, and half the time I still can't sleep. And I have a son can't talk. He even had around about 5 or 6 surgeries trying to talk, but he ain't gonna be able to talk at all. They try to work with him, he even had strokes.
The changes to speed up the appeals process for death row cases would cost the state over $4 million.
But we shouldn't let that stop us. We have a system, we have verdicts that need to be carried out, and we need to make sure that we can carry out that justice.
Opponents point to those who have been wrongfully convicted and the more than 65 people who had their cases overturned in Louisiana.
What about the people that they found that was exonerated completely and found out they didn't even commit the crime, but it took them 30 years to get their records to get it straight. That's why they're appealing to this committee to get the death row, to get the sympathy. What about the rest of the people that's in the system?
At the Capitol for WAFB 9 News, I'm Liam Combs.
We'll keep our eye